You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Well, here's an earlier look today over Tehama County. This is kind of in the Las Molinas area. Some clouds overhead, but still not a bad day today. And
Chief Meteorologist Howie Gordon is tracking the start of our work week. Cool out there, and it's nice to have a break from the rainy, stormy weather, but I know this break's not going to last too long.
We've been up and down. One weekend nice, next weekend rainy. Now we're headed towards that change as rain is moving back into the area. So yeah, we had that sunny, warm. I wish we could switch it, I said earlier, because we were all indoors watching football yesterday. No football next weekend. And we're going to have those rain showers. That's going to change things up for us once again. But our weather, again, we went from a stable weather pattern. We're still in it right now, but we are going to start to see those showers. We'll go take a look at it as we speak. So rain-wise, I'm going over here now. Here we go. Thanks, guys. Oh, here's what look at the clouds. So some of these upper level clouds, high, thin clouds, have moved into the area. But high clouds around today blocked out a little bit of our sunshine. Overall, still a nice day if you like decent sunshine with temperatures right around average, maybe a couple degrees below, but winds on the lighter side, so it didn't really add a bite to it. Now, shower chances midweek, more rain this week, or more rain chances or better chances for the weekend. Temperature-wise, all right, we were a few degrees cooler than where we're supposed to be, but you can add those clouds to the mix. Those are the culprit for keeping our temperatures a little bit on that cooler side. Overall, though, really, the last 24 hours didn't drop too much. A few places that actually were warmer than yesterday. So not a huge factor. I know when the sun's out, though, with temperatures, flirting with 60, feels a little bit better. But we did have ample sunshine for part of the day in part of the viewing area. Winds on that calmer side. So that means temperatures will drop overnight without that mixing level of the air. But the winds bringing a little bit of that moisture in from the Pacific, from the ocean, from the west. And what is that doing? That helped to develop our upper level thin layer of cloud cover. Here's our future cast, looking at some of those thin clouds, but eventually what's going to happen, storms are going to start pushing closer to the area. That first round, I'm thinking, is going to stay a little to the north of us, and our high pressure ridge might thwart some of those storms from moving into the area, but our better chances will be, which I'll show you in a moment, with some other storms. Out there in the Cascade, the North Mountains, temperature-wise, not too bad. That's pretty much on the comfy side for this time of year. And then as we make our way into the Sierra and the Cascades, a little bit chillier, but hey, it's expected in some of those higher elevations. And then as we make our way into the ridge, 40s, a little bit on the chilly side. Then in the North Valley, temperatures overnight, some 30s, but in the daytime, we warm up pretty good. And the same for the Mid-Valley, temperatures eventually warming close to that 60-degree mark. All right. High pressure is going to move off. Storms moving closer. As those storms move closer, could stay a little bit to the northwest, but that next round of storms out there, that could cause us some problems with the rain. And we'll take a look at that in my 7-day and my full forecast, the remaining portion of the forecast coming up in just a little bit.
All right. Thanks, Howie.